how to choose the best seat on Aegean Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can choose the best seat on Aegean Airlines. Now, when flying with Aegean Airlines, you have the opportunity to select your preferred seat in advance, whether you're flying economy or business class. This is a real opportunity, I tell you. But the thing is, for you to be able to choose the best seat on Aegean Airlines, you have to be ready to pay if you are using the economy class. But if you are using the business class, you can choose any seat free of charge. But for the economy class, once again, you would have to pay. So, for example, now you're about to book a flight. All right. Now there are two ways. All right. You can either choose or change your seat on an already booked flight by logging into your Aegean Airline account and then clicking on my booking. After clicking on my booking, in the window displayed, you'd enter in the booking reference number that was sent to you upon the payment of your flight, and then your last name, and then click on continue. By the time you will go to your booking page, that is your flight details page, you'll see the option for you to select another seat and then change your seat. All right. But then if you're just about to book a flight and you want to choose the best seat, the best thing to do will be to select book a flight, and then once you're done, select where you're coming from, select where you're heading to, and then click on search, and then enter in your departure date as well as your arrival date. And then once that is done, enter in the number of passengers and click on search. Then after clicking on search, Aegean Airlines will filter out flights that are meant for those days as well as for that particular location. So you wait patiently for the available flights to be displayed. So after the flight has been displayed, you can see at the top part of the screen which says step 1 of 6. That is, there are 6 steps that you would need to fill for you to be able to book a flight. And then the steps you are heading to is seats, right? So before then, the kind of class you choose matter. Like I said, if you were choosing economy, that means that you'll be paying to choose a best seat on your flight. But if you are making use of business, you can select any flight of your choice free of charge. All right. So if you are going with the economy class, you can just select it, and then you can see the different kind of economy class as well, which is light, flex, as well as comfort flex. So if you want comfort flex, just click on select, and then click on select a return flight. Then do the same for this. Select. Then if you want comfort flex as well, click on select, and then click on continue by the lower right corner of the screen. So after clicking on continue, you'll be taken to the passengers page. Check through the details and then click on continue as well. And then the stage where we are heading to, select your preferred seats. So for this page, you can see outbound, which means your departure. All right. And for you to select the seats here, you can see standard, upfront, extra legroom. Now extra legroom is the best seat, and then this is the fee that you have to pay. So if you want to go ahead, just click on select seat, and then you can see the seats that are available for extra legroom, and they are just the best. So you can just go ahead and select the one that you prefer amongst others. Then once you've selected it, you can see passengers are not allowed to sit in row seats. Okay, so click on I agree, and then go ahead and select the one that you feel is better. Then once you're done, click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the next stage of the flight booking. So this is how you can choose the best seats on Aegean Airlines. It's very simple actually, but you have to get ready to pay more than usual. Thanks for watching, and have a good time on your flight.